Leonardo's Nuvola collection is for the dreamers out there, and they just released a new color, lilac. Actually, I take it back. It's not just for the dreamers. If you struggle to dream big, maybe you need a Nuvola in your life, because these pens were inspired by clouds and the elegance of the clouds. And maybe it's just me, or maybe it's because I'm a dreamer, but when I think of clouds, I think of building castles in the clouds. And in any castle in the cloud, you're gonna need a Nuvola fountain pen. If you missed the first release, it was a really nice, classy blue, and this second release in the Nuvola collection is this beautiful light lilac color. If you were sad that you missed that first release and wished you had got your hands on one, you might be relieved to see this one, because I might like this one even better, or maybe I'm just a purple fan at the moment. Y'all will have to tell me what you think in the comments. Let's take a good look at it. It is a cartridge converter fountain pen, and you can see it comes with a really nice quality converter installed in the pen, already branded. It's a piston style threaded converter. I really like the threaded converters. They tend to stay better in my pens, of course, but they also help my obsessive tendencies. I love that this is paired with a rose gold trim, and that the rose gold trim components are throughout the entire make of the pen. The Nuvola fountain pens are a regular size Momento Zero model, so you'll recognize that if you're a Leonardo fan. They're postable, and they do have a number 6 stainless steel nib plated to match the trim. The section, if you didn't notice, the section was resin, so that matches the rest of the pen. Generally speaking, Leonardo's Momento Zero is a really popular choice, and the Nuvola is a great option. This is Sarah Beth with Pen Chalet. Thanks for joining us for today's unboxing. Follow us at Pen Chalet on your favorite social media channel, and shop penchalet.com.